morning. Welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not and you watch this video, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Guys, this morning I'm going to make a delicious egg sandwich and I want to share it with you. All right, let's start, guys. So this is everything that I'm going to use to make my delicious egg sandwich. I'm going to use some potato bread. I'm going to use some long light butter. I'm going to use some eggs. I'm going to use some cheese, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and some vegetable. All right, let's start. So I'm going to toast my bread in my pot. So I'm going to use some long light butter to toast my bread. Okay, so you're going to toast your bread. You can, you toast it, and if you don't want to toast it, okay. But for me, I'm going to toast it a bit. I need a nice little, crunch to it. So I'm going to toast it a bit. So what I'm going to do right now, this is very nice. Very, very nice. I don't put any butter on the other side. I just want, the other side to get a little catch. Toast a little bit. Okay? So I'm just going to give a couple seconds and then remove it. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to take it out now. Now I'm going to start to fry my eggs. Okay? The pot is clean, so you don't have to worry about washing out the pot or do anything. So now you want to throw your oil. Throw your oil to fry your eggs. Okay. Hey guys, make sure to check back for my creamy, delicious bulgur porridge. Okay guys, so you're going to need a little black pepper, just a little bit, all over the eggs. Okay, just a pinch of black pepper. And you're going to need a pinch of salt for the taste. Okay, so we're going to put a pinch of salt. Okay, use salt, so you're going to try to sprinkle a little bit all over it. So you don't want the salt, you don't want your eggs to salty. You just want a little sprinkle all over it. Okay. You can give your egg like a minute. So now I'm finished. I'm going to remove the egg right now. Okay. Because I'm finished with it. But if you want it well done, guys, you can put it for maybe about 2 minutes. Alright. For me, this is just 1 minute on each side. Okay. Alright, guys. So I'm going to show you how to put your sandwich together. So you know that I've done fried the eggs. So now I'm going to put my cheese. But if you want to put your cheese on your bread, you can do that. But I like to put it on top of my eggs. So I'm going to put my cheese on top of my eggs. Then I'm going to put my lettuce. Nice piece of lettuce on top. So guys, I love some vegetables. So I'm going to put a whole lot. Then some tomato. Ooh, look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Then I'm going to put another piece of bread on top. Then look at this. This looks so delicious, guys. So, breakfast time. Here it is, guys. Breakfast time. Look how that looks so delicious. Breakfast time, guys. Breakfast time. Look at this, guys. Breakfast time. So this is my delicious egg sandwich. Oh my goodness. I know I'm going to enjoy this. All right. Guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, share, leave me a comment. All right. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.